this project, I decided to give the soap basket to my mother because she is one of the most important and hardworking people in my life. So she always take care of our family, puts other before herself, and rarely has time to relax or do something just for her. So I wanted this soap basket to be a way to say thank you and remind her that she also deserves time for self-care and rest. So my mom does so much every single day. She cooks, clean, still manage to support and take care of us no matter how tired she is. Even when she's busy or stressed, she always find time to help me with school or simply listen when I need someone to talk to. That's why I felt she truly deserves something special and meaningful. So I made sure to put extra care into the design of my soap basket because I used the green and mint green ribbons because they represent peace, freshness, and calmness. So I wanted this soap basket to feel like a little gift of appreciation, something she can use to unwind after a long day. So in the end, I choose my mother not just because she's my family, but because she inspires me every day with her strength, love, kindness. So this soap basket is a small way of showing her how much I admire her and love her, and how thankful I am for everything she does for me. This soap basket is for my mother.
This soap basket is for my mom. I choose her because she's my everything. Her love, care, and strength have shaped my world. And this is the small way to say thank you. She deserves all the comfort and care in the world. I love my mom so much.